Brian Mahan. All right, state, did you tender an offer? All right, I need to make sure in each one of his cases that you all have done an acknowledgement of discovery. All right, your plea deadline date and jury trial date is going to be December 8th.
Next Monday?
Yes.
Okay, so plea deadline, and if no plea, then
Jury
jury.
trial, yes. All right, thank you. Thank you
Thank you,
for
Judge.
dressing appropriately for court. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Alonzo Taylor.
Here for that.
All right, this is a motion to revoke.
It is, Judge.
All right. I don't have anything on the motion to revoke.
Here's the court summary, Judge. And specifically, Judge, this is a motion to set bond that I had filed on the motion to revoke.
Have you all discussed the motion to revoke?
I have, Judge.
So is this going to be contested?
At this point, it would be, Judge. The new number one is very new. I have not received the discovery as of yet.
Are there other allegations in the motion other than the new number one?
There are, Judge.
All right, Norma, set this for a contested hearing in 10 days. When is it set? All right, your contested hearing is going to be December 18th.
And Judge, on behalf of my client regarding the motion to set bond,
Oh, we'll hear that. I'll hear your motion to set bond, but y'all need to be ready for a contested hearing on December 18th. All right, did you file a motion for bond?
I did, Judge. I have it ready.
All right, thank you.
Judge.
State, are you ready to proceed?
Just 1 second, Judge.
And I apologize, Judge. I'm bringing with Megan, so.
All right, the court is calling 2022 CR 6828, State versus Alonzo Taylor. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
And Jonathan Alvarado for the defense.
And are you Alonzo Miguel Taylor?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, this is a motion to revoke, and counsel, you're requesting a bond be set.
Correct, Judge.
All right. Have you all agreed on amount or no?
No, Judge.
All right. And defense, what amount of bond are you requesting?
Judge, in my review of the bonds that have previously been set for his cases for this case, one was 10,000, one was 15,000. I would recommend Judge 30,000 as far as the bond goes. He does have a new number one. It's just one case to burglary habitation. And that case, Judge, his bond is already set at $75,000. So there's already a high amount. Given that, and given that it's on for a third degree, I would ask for $30,000.
All right. And state, what are you requesting?
Judge, I'm requesting $100,000 with full GPS and then no contact with some individuals. And I do have a state exhibit B1 for purposes of the hearing that I'd like the court to review and send in the voting.
All right. The court will review state's exhibit. Any objection?
Now for the purposes of this hearing.
All right. The court has reviewed state's exhibits. Defense, do you have any witnesses to call with regards to bond amount?
Not this time, Judge.
All right, then I don't know what he's able to afford. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to set your bond at $150,000. There's going to be full GPS. There's to be no contact with the following. Form. And probation, that's a contested hearing on December 18th. And if you could return that to, have you ever had a chance to see a court summary before? All right, court summary is the summary from probation, and it gives you an update on how someone was doing on probation. And it also talk about the new number ones, if there are new number ones. Anthony Blackburn. Hello, how's it going?
Good, good, good.
This is not quite New York weather, but people are acting as though it is. I know you're just like, oh, this is nothing. We asked for this weather, and then when we get it, we're like, no.
Yeah.
Oh, we got Prosecutor Robert Maurer up here. He's off to the side.
I'll take him.
Everyone's getting prison time.
No, I won't take him.
Yeah. All right, this is this family violence?
Yes, it is.
All right, who's the family violence prosecutor on this case?
I was dealing with Rick, but he went upstairs.
All right, so can you tell me, have you received all discovery?
I haven't yet.
All right, what
I'm-
discovery is
I'm
missing?
Multiple videos, his arrest video and some other videos. Apparently there was a whole bunch of officers on the scene and I haven't received them all.
Okay. So on this case, allegedly, is there any children involved or no?
No,
All right.
Your Honor, I apologize. Ashley Jones for the record. I didn't hear the defendant's name.
Oh, it's Anthony Blackburn.
Thank you.
no, this was with his adult children. They're in their 20s.
Okay. Are there any 911 calls that you know about or that have you received those?
I'm
911 calls.
What do you see, Judge? Do you have the 911 call?
Okay. I'm just trying to, he's saying that there are some videos that are not, I guess they're not uploaded yet.
Your Honor, I can double check. I have here that we have all the body cam for all the officers that have body cam. I know there's been issues with discovery and defense attorneys not being able to access some discovery, so that might be the issue.
Ah, the discovery saga. The defense still hasn't received all the videos, body cams, arrest footage, everything. This is a perfect example of why procedural fairness is so critical. If lawyers don't get what they need, they can't properly defend clients. And the judge steps in wisely, scheduling a recall to ensure nothing slips through the cracks. It's tense, but essential courtroom mechanics in action.
They might have too much, they might be too big of a fuss.
All right, Norma, recall this for the last week in December. It's to make sure that you have access to the discovery.
Okay.
All right, so we'll be back on December 16th. And counsel, if you can make sure there's no issue with uploading it.
Okay.
And if there is, if you'll make sure you bring a USB or something.
You got it. I will do that.
All right, thank
Judge.
you. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. You're welcome. Mario Rodriguez.
Judge, he's only he speaks only Spanish.
Oh,
I'm trying to get out, so bringing the jury in the Tunited, but it was
Yes.
just to sign a contract.
Okay.
We're turning that in today.
okay, so what is the contract for?
Pre-trial diversion.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. Can I have a PTD?
I guess I can do January 5th. Okay. Let me put it on here.
Good luck on your trial.
Thank you, Your Honor. I
All right,
appreciate it.
and if you'll let him know, we'll bring him back at that time.
Okay. Vamos a regresar a corte el día 5 de enero, si no rechazan el caso. Si lo
Oh, and Monica,
con migración, vamos a tener que regresar.
Monica, if you'll also let him know that if everything is completed before then, he may not need to come back.
I just said that.
Oh, okay, awesome. All right, thank you.
Okay.
All right, and you're working on those?
Yeah.
All right, Marcos Rios. Yes.
Here we go. Judge, I want to report to the court, the CD the state provided to me yesterday would not play. For whatever, maybe I have a bad computer, but it would not play. And apparently there's hours of body cam videos which are necessary so I can properly represent Mr. Rios for cross-examination purposes. It's not a matter of entering it into evidence, which would typically never happen anyways. But I need to look at that information because there's several family members the day the crime allegedly occurred, where I need to understand what they were saying to the officer. So because of that, Judge, I'm asking for a continuance. 1 week would be
Well,
fine.
no, here's the thing. You shouldn't have to ask for a continuance when you didn't receive the discovery. The state should be asking for a continuance.
Judge, sure, the state will ask for a continuance.
All right, the state is going to file a motion for continuance, and this is going to come back on December 8th. At that time, counsel, with regards to the discovery that you've received, if you file a motion to exclude, the court will consider it.
Okay.
All right, we are going to go on the record. Court is calling 2025 CR 007192 State versus Marcos Antonio Rios. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Ashley Jones for the state.
And Michael DeLeon representing Mr. Rios.
And are you Mr. Rios?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we were scheduled for jury trial. yesterday.
Oh.
And defense, I believe you were given new evidence.
I
Well,
was,
not new, but evidence that you had not received before.
that's correct. I was given a CD, Your Honor, with apparently a lot of gigabytes or whatever of body cam of the video of sheriff's officers responding to the scene the day the alleged crime occurred. I needed to review that. I put it in my computer, Judge. It would not play. Kept spitting it out. When I looked at it, cleaned it and everything, and still nothing. So because of that, Judge, I need time to review body cam footage. So we're asking for just a little bit more time so we can properly prepare for a trial.
State,
Yes, so the state provided defense counsel the body cam. Understandably, it was late. And so the state will ask for a continuance.
any objection to the state's oral motion for continuance?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, state's motion for continuance will be granted. Defense, with regards to the evidence that you've received. If you file a motion to exclude, the court will consider it. This will be recalled for December 8th.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Let's have a seat. Do we need to sign anything, Judge? or-
Yes, a reset form. And Mr. DeLeon, if you'll make sure that whatever is issues with the disc, that is,
Actually working it out. right now,
Okay.
Judge.
all right, thank you.
Please on iPad.
For some reason, that case didn't make it on my docket, Mr. Judge. That's why-
What is the call, Stemmer?
Oh, shoot. I don't have it. I sent you the text message on the federal case that he's serving time on. But I'll get it for you. It was on yesterday's docket.
Okay. All right, so when is his date? The federal date?
He was sentenced in March of this year to a year and a day. And the reason that it was a year and a day, as I understand it, that it allows him to get a little good time credit.
Okay,
So I would expect maybe February or March, he'll be released. But I'm sure there's a hold on, Bear County hold on him. Can you see if there's a warrant out for him?
there is. Norma, on this case, Megan, are you taking over the case of Gilberto Alonso Castillo Torres? That's the person who's in federal custody?
Yeah.
All right, well, we'll set it for jury trial in February. All right, could I have a jury trial date for February, please?
Can I have another kind of pre-hearing, because I've not ever talked to him, but one time at the jail. So I can just have him.
February 23rd? You'll have to do it off docket because it's a state jail felony.
Gotcha.
All right, thank you. So that will be your jury trial date and plea deadline date.
Okay.
You're welcome.
That's all.
All right, Ricky Partardeau.
You're already, Judge.
All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 008370, State versus Ricky Partardeau. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Melissa Alvin from state.
Robert Mauer for defendant.
And are you Mr. Partardeau?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Ricky Partardeau who's placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 008370 for the offense of injury, bodily injury against an elderly or disabled person on September 23rd, 2024 for a term of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, it was 5 years, but yes, ma'am.
No, it's for 6 years.
Yeah. It's on, I think it's on the judgment.
Yes. So you're on probation for 6 years. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
On or about the 8th day of October 2025 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Ricky Partardeau committed the offense of criminal trespass in violation of condition number 1.
Boom! Ricky Partardeau pleads true to violating probation. This is high stakes. One wrong step, and he could face up to 6 years. Watch the judge probe beyond the plea. She's asking, what do you need to be successful? It's not just about punishment, it's about assessing support, rehab, and accountability. This is where courtroom drama meets real human stakes.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
Yes, true.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, I could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 6 years in the prison?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. We are in agreement to follow the probation department's recommendation, which is to hold him in jail until a bed is available at status on the relapse track. And then we will take into consideration the new criminal trespass. We would like to add a condition.
What is the criminal trespass cause number?
It is 2025 CC 014713.
Yes.
And we'd like to add a condition related to that, that the probation, that the defendant have no contact with 2412.
Any objection to the court reviewing the court summary?
None.
All right, you'll raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear and affirm that the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Ricky Partardeau.
All right, so what is it you need to be successful in probation? What's going on in your life?
I just wanted to show you that I can finish my probation if I just get another chance, you know?
No. That's not my question. Like, everybody wants another chance usually to finish probation. My question for you is, what do you need to be successful? So you've pled true to a criminal trespass, which means you were somewhere you were not supposed to be and somebody told you you can't be there, but you were there anyway.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is going on in your life that you are not being successful on probation?
I was coming out dirty on my UAs.
All right, and so what drugs were you using?
Meth.
All right, how long have you been using that?
I use it sometimes, not all the times, but I was coming out dirty on my probation. That's what I was asking to go back to setup or
Okay.
to do the program.
And do you
again.
have any mental health issues?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever been diagnosed with any mental health issues?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any family support?
Yes, ma'am.
And who is your family support system?
My mom, my uncle.
All right. Is there anything else?
No, Judge.
This is what the court is going to do. I'm going to give you a choice.
Hmm.
All right. I understand that the case that he's on probation for, he has some cognitive issues. And that was the cause of the case that he's on probation for. So I'm going to give you a choice. These are your only 2 choices. You have no other choice. 1, I follow the agreement that you've reached, or I will revoke you and sentence you to 3 years in the prison. And with the 3 years in the prison, I'll recommend therapeutic community. However, I can't force in the place you in the program because I don't have jurisdiction to do that.
And here's the ultimate courtroom tension. The judge lays out only 2 options: follow the probation recommendation or face revocation and 3 years in prison. No wiggle room, no backdoor. This is decision time. The suspense is palpable. You can almost feel the weight of that choice, life-changing consequences hanging in the balance. Audience engagement. What would you do in his shoes?
So those are your 2 choices. Continue with the recommendations that have been given, or either revoke in 3 years.
What is it? Stage of felony or TDC?
No, this is TDC. Do you need to discuss it with your attorney?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
All right, if you'll discuss it with him and then just skip in line and come back and let me know.